Hello everyone. Warmly welcome to our Beston Group live show. I'm Brian, and today I'm your host. Right now, I will make some introduction to our plastic versus running one. And today, what we use is 600 kilogram plastic. And the type of plastic is 50. And now we have already uh, we have already started. Right now, it costs around 1 hour, and I want to use the whole system of the different part first. So that later on, we will share every part function and how the machine can convert plastic into free honor. So now, I will show you right now. As you can see, our reactor system. This is a reactor system. So your guess. The reactor system include a lot of the part. The first is the furnace, and we have the Q345R boiler steel, and we have the stainless steel, and also we have the casing, the base, and also the dragging belt, and also with the furnace door. We have also have the soft sealing to make a perfect sealing performance on the reactor. It can avoid the air to get into the reactor. And about the burning room, if you check with the other vendors, you will find the difference because what we use is hot wind to heat the reactor. But other vendors, they use the burner in bottom of the reactor, and the fire will hit the reactor directly, and it will reduce the lifetime of the reactor. But what we use is hot wind, and the benefits of the hot wind is the first is it can extend the working life of the reactor, and the second benefit is it can make heating performance more average and efficient. This is a diesel burner. On the preheating system, we can use the diesel or plastic oil, fuel oil, or LPG, or even natural gas. And we have the syngas app. So when you start heating, there is a hot wind in the burning room. And the hot wind after heating the reactor, the hot smoke will come out from this pipe. You can see here. The hot smoke will from here and under the function of the drop the fan. There is a drop the fan. Move one. This is a drop the fan. And the hot smoke move one. It will get back to burning room. And the other hot smoke will follow this path. So once this path is connection with the air-to-air exchanger, I will show you later on. And this path will go to our catalyst tower to make a preheating to the catalyst tower. Because when the catalyst meets hot air, the catalyst will have active performance. And when the temperature get around 150, there is oil gas come out. And my colleague Abby will have a detailed introduction to the next flow chart.
Then please follow Amy study the following process. Okay. Firstly, we already have finished the 1.5 operating about the reactor. Now, the reaction temperature already achieved 150 degrees. So, there are some that oil gas that already have generated. The natural oil gas firstly will go through the filter system of the filter system. This is a soft building system. This is one of the fastest patents with that system because you can see the reactor is always in neutrally. If we use the previous technology last several years, it is half raw material. It cannot adjust the direction according to the reactor's moving, but the software system it can adjust its self direction follows the reactor's rotary and can avoid the air leakage and also can keep the whole system's operation safety and also can increase the sealing systems using years. Okay, next part. So all the lead oil gas through the sealing system will go into catalytic form. The catalytic form also is one of the This function is catalytic form. In the app, we will put two layers, special catalyst and the heavy smoke in from the burning room. It can provide the heavy energy to the catalyst and make the catalyst always keep in positive state. Then, when the lead oil gas goes into the catalyst core, it will go through the catalyst. The catalyst can make the big module in the plastic oil becomes into small module. In other words, it can make it can handle with the plastic oil problem. It is waxing. What is waxing? Please see this oil. Normally, plastic after pyrolysis, when the oil might be cold temperature, it will become the wax, the solid stage. This kind of oil cannot use or selling to the market because it cannot use in the burner. But after the catalyst tool, we use all special technology. All chemical engineer have designed the catalyst. It can deal with the problem, make the plastic oil always keep in the liquid stage. It means the liquid stage oil can selling better price to your customer and also can bring your business a more good profit. Okay, you can see very clearly the two oil difference. Okay, please let's go to next part. Maybe you will have question in other supplier. They only have manifold, but for Beston, we have a system is suitable for both visitors and the plastic. The manifold always use for the visitors because visitors after pyrolysis, the oil always is lifted. So visitors oil doesn't need to be special treatment by the catalyst, but the plastic oil need to be treatment by special catalyst. This is all patent. Now, please let's go to the next part.
我要去
Okay, the next part. The next part is about the oil condenser system. The whole system we need to do in two parts. Firstly is two vertical condensers. Secondly is the double layer oil storage tank. Please let's see one by one. Just now we have talked that the net oil gas will go through the catalytic hole and through the net oil gas pipes will go through the vertical condensers. The vertical condensers inside is several tubes and the tubes outside is cold water and the oil gas will go into the tubes inside. Then the cold water will reduce the oil gas temperature and liquefy the oil gas. The, the oil gas is liquefied, then goes into the storage tank. Be storage and can sell into the market. we use vertical condensers because the vertical condensers condensing efficiency is higher and more good. Next one, you let's see. That's another patent. It is double layered oil storage tank. Please follow me. Okay, this is oil storage tank. Maybe from the outside you don't know its difference with the normal storage oil tank. Please let me explain its special. Firstly, it is a double layered oil storage tank. It means inside is oil and in the middle layer is hot water. We use the boiler steam provide hot water for the oil storage tank and always keep the oil storage tank at warm temperature. Then when the plastic oil goes into the storage tank, it will keep the liquid stage and can sell into the market and easy to be drivable to other tanks. Okay, now let's see the boiler steam carefully. This is the boiler steam. This is the water tank. The boiler steam will provide hot energy to the water tank, and the water tank hot water will through the water pipes goes into the oil tank, provide hot energy for the oil storage tank. And the water's tank energy will into the oil. So the water itself temperature will be reduced. Then the water will goes out back to the boiler steam. So this part of the water is always settled. Okay, that's the one. Also is one of special design for Beston pyrolysis system. It is a negative pressure vacuum system. Firstly, this is the vacuum tank. Here, this is a vacuum tank. It can make the vacuum tank pressure in that and then can take the reactor pressure a little lower. That's a vacuum tank. So, we designed this system because its function is make the whole process system boiling point is more lower. Then we can reduce the pyrolysis time, increase the oil yield, and increase the pyrolysis efficiency. Hope this is clear for you. If you have any question, please contact your project consultant. Okay. Now please let's study the syngas system. Just now we have know the oil gas goes to the renewable condensers. Part of them will be liquefied, but have few of part of them cannot be liquefied. So where they go? They through the condensers or through the syngas pipes go to the vacuum system firstly, then go to the water field. The water seal function is purify the syngas, and also this is a safety device. After purify the syngas through the syngas pipes back to the heating system. This leads back to the heating system. Okay. Just now, we have learned that the syngas will back in for the heating system. Here, this is a syngas tube. This is a flame reactor. This is a safety device. The syngas through the syngas tanks back to the heating reactor system. We use the syngas automatic ignition for the syngas monster. This is very convenient as a system. northeast next introduce the syngas function. The syngas value is similar to natural gas. That's the resembling type of taking the it means we can see the operating process, see your fuel consumption. It means we can bring you more profit in your business. Then this next is the water free dischargers. Okay. Normally, after pyrolysis, finish the pyrolysis full oxide and no any oil use. We will turn off the burners and turn off the whole system when the reactor is cleaned down. After several hours cleaned down, the oil will be dumped in the tank. But in the reactor inside, still have very few slides and the next people like after clean down will go through this charger. Then go to the second water clean discharger. The second discharger is special. It is a water cooling function because its structure is double layered. It means the slide put inside. The middle is put water. The put water can reduce the temperature for the slide and keep the slide temperature is at low and also safety. When the slide goes through the second water filling station, it will be from the tube, the slide tank. Today we haven't put the slide tank here, but later we will get one here. Then the slide can be sold to the cement factory, the brick factory. They can use as fuel or use as Dedusting. Okay, thanks for time and listening. Thank you, Frank. My colleague, Mr. Frank, will continue to introduce the Dedusting system and the PLC control system.
Come back to our combustion chamber for burning. It means it can equip the oxygen in the burning room. And the room rate, the hot smoke will make of preheating to catalytic power. So now follow me and we can go to the back of the system. So my friend, right now you can say this is road 2 and this is road 3. And after heating the catalyst, there will become one road. And under the function of the drop fire, it will go to the air-to-air exchanger. So the function of the air-to-air exchanger, that is convert the waste hot smoke into fresh air, and it will follow this path. It will follow this path to back to our combustion chamber, and the rest of the hot smoke it will go to the flue gas condensing system. So this is a water and air exchanger. The function of this machine is to reduce the temperature of the hot smoke, and after that, the hot smoke will follow the flue condenser. This is a flue path. And it will get into the spray tower. So as you can see, we have two spray tower, and the design is totally same. So we have the ceramic ring and the water spray to remove the dust. So the flue gas will go to the spray tower 1 and flow to spray tower 2. And after that we have a active carbon absorption box. So there is active carbon in it, and the function of the active carbon is to absorb the dust of the emission. So under the function of the final drop fan, It will follow this path. It will follow this path and follow this path. Finally, it will go to the chimney for emission. So this is the whole system, the whole running plan, the whole run operation flow chart of our machine. But I want to point to two kind of a machine. First is our nitrogen system. As you can see, this blue machine that is a nitrogen generation unit, and this is a green tank for nitrogen storage tank. So the function of the nitrogen is a lazy gas. So when we push the nitrogen into the reactor, and it will push the pyrolysis gas or the air to the outside very quickly. So the function of the nitrogen system, it can make the machine cooling down very fast. This is function one. And function two is it can make the running machine more safety. It's optional part. And the last one is our discharging system. So you can see it's Simon's brand, and you can see the different data about the temperature, about the pressure, and about the frequency of the draft fan, and also the rotating speed. So you can control it by this PLC control. And also, if the pressure or temperature over the standard or in an emergency situation, we have an automatic alarm system. So that is the introduction to our system. If you have any concerns or questions, you can ask me. You can ask to your project consultant, and they will make the solution and they will answer to you. And if you want to see maybe detailed part of our machine, you can let us know. Thank you.